Hello everyone, I am Piyush Gujarati and I am an intern at Emergency Information Technology. In this video, I am presenting you my internship project that is microwave oven simulation. So that the topic we'll be discussing in this presentation are the topic I learned during my internship, general description of the project, requirement of the project, interfacing and finally project simulation. In the first week of my internship, I have learned about C programming, basic concept of C languages such as data type, operators in C and array, pointers and function, recursion constant, qualifier and string, storage classes and preprocessor, and many more basic concept of C languages. In the second week of my internship, I have learned about embedded system, the type of embedded system, microcontroller, installation process of MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, PiximLab. These tools are used to implement and simulate my project. Then we have learned about microcontroller PIC16F877A and various peripheral of PIC16F877A. The general description of my project. To implement my project, we have divided it into following parts. First, powering on. On turning the microwave on, the display needs to display powering on message. When we start the microwave oven, it will first display powering on message like powering on microwave oven. After that, it will show four cooking modes that are first one is micro mode, second one is grill mode, third one is convection mode, fourth one is start. After selecting any of this mode, the user have to set time and temperature. The oven needs to facilitate the user to input required cooking temperature or time. After selecting any of this cooking mode, we have to enter temperature and time for the cooking process. There is one more option. If the door remains open, the microwave oven alert us the door remains open. It will indicate that the door is open. It will not start working. At the last, after cooking get completed, the time up message is displayed. Next, requirement of project, functional requirement of my project. On powering on the microwave oven, the CLCD display the powering on message, which is followed by the display of four different cooking modes. The first cooking mode is micro mode. By pressing key 1 in the matrix keypad, we can select micro mode. The CLCD display the power, how much power is required for the microwave. CLCD promote the user to enter the cooking time in minutes and second format. There is a star button to clear the temperature and hash button to confirm the temperature or time. After confirming the time or temperature, the timer starts. The fan also gets start or key 4, key 4 of the matrix keypad. By pressing key 4 of matrix keypad, we can add 30 seconds more in the current cooking time. By pressing key 5, we can pause the cooking. By pressing key 4, we can also resume the process again. By pressing key 6, we can stop the cooking. By selecting by pressing key 2 of the matrix keypad, grill mode is selected. The CLCD promote the user to enter the cooking time. Again, star button is used to clear the time and hash button is to confirm the cooking time. In the convection mode, on pressing key 3 in the matrix keypad, convection mode is selected. CLCD promotes the user to enter the cooking temperature. Star button is used to clear the temperature and hash button is used to confirm the temperature. Oven start preheating with the given temperature for 3 minutes. After that we can set the cooking time and process will start for cooking. Last one is the start mode. In the start mode, by pressing key 4 we can start the start mode. By on pressing key 4 the matrix in the matrix keypad, the start mode is selected. Cooking time is set for 30 seconds and the cooking start automatically. In this we can add more 30 seconds in the current cooking time by pressing key 4. We can pause cooking by pressing key 5 and we can stop cooking by pressing key 6. After that, interfacing. In this project microwave oven simulation, we have used microcontroller PIC16 F877A. The feature of this microcontrollers are it work on DC frequency of 20 megahertz. There are 5 input output ports, 15 interrupts, 3 timers. It has flash memory of 8 KB and data memory of 368 bytes. In this project there is CLCD display. It is used to display the message. The CLCD has two communication mode. In our project we have uses CLCD in bit mode 16 into 4. The second one is matrix keypad. It is used to select cooking mode and enter time and temperature value. Timer. Timer 2 is an 8-bit timer with a prescaler and postscaler. The timer 2 register is readable and writable and it clear on any device reset. Interrupt. Interrupt is occur when the timer 2 register overflow. Buzzer and fan. Buzzer is used to alert the user after cooking is completed and fan started. Fan is used to indicate motor is running. After that, project simulation. Now we will see our code for microwave oven. Here is the code for microwave oven. This is the main code for my project microwave oven simulation. Now I will build it successful. Now we can see project simulation. For simulating it, we used PixSimLab. Reload last. See, powering on message is displayed. Powering on microwave oven. Now 4 cooking modes are there. By pressing key 1 we can select cooking mode. Key 1 is used to select micro mode. By pressing key 1 we can select micro mode. Power 900 watt is showing here. Now we can set cooking time 10 seconds. By pressing star button we can clear the time. Now time is cleared. By pressing star hash key we can enter. Now cooking is started for 10 seconds. Fan also started rotating. We can pause the process by pressing key 5 and stop the process by pressing key 6 and resume it by pressing key 4, and we can add more 30 seconds by pressing key 4. Now cooking time is 31 second, 29 second. After 29 second the cooking process is completed. After 25 second cooking get completed. We will wait for 22 seconds to see the result. 3 seconds are left. Now cooking is completed, fan is stopped and time up message is displayed and buzzer is active. Now by pressing key 2 in the matrix keypad we can select grill mode. We can set the time for cooking 10 seconds. Again star is used to clear the time, or hash is used to enter the time. Hash. Now cooking is started for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds it will complete it. Again key 5 is used to pause the process. Key 6 is used to stop, and key 4 to resume or add more. In the convection mode, by pressing key 3 we can select convection mode, and by pressing key 4 we can start directly. I have entered key 4. Why it is not? Now key 4. It is started for 30 seconds. Cooking is started for 30 seconds. Fan is also started. By pressing key 5 we can pause the process. Now process is paused. We can resume by pressing key 4. Now process is resumed. We can stop the process by pressing key 6. Now process is stopped. By pressing key 3 we can select convection mode. Now convection mode is selected. We have to set the temperature. To 30. By pressing hash key we can enter, and by pressing star key we can clear. Now preheating is started for 180 seconds. After that the cooking is completed, and preheating is completed, and we can set time for cooking. We have to wait for 180 seconds. So this is how we have implemented and simulated microwave oven. Here are some screenshots of project simulation. This is for cooking modes. Power 900 watt. Set time display screen, temperature, set temperature display, preheating display. So in this internship we have learned about microwave oven and implemented and simulated it. Thank you.